Today on In The Woodyard, it's a moving day. I've got logs in the way, I gotta move them. Here we go. So I might be getting 2 to 3 loads of mixed hardwood at a really good price. I just talked to a guy that is doing a logging job not far from here that my brother knows, and he's got stuff that he's got to get rid of because none of the mills want it around here as far as paper mills or the lumber mills, and it's going to be mixed hardwood, and he's going to give me a price that's too good to pass up. And I really don't need it, but he said he's going to have 2 to 3 loads, and it's going to be all mixed stuff. He said they're going to be anything from ash, maple, hard maple, soft maple, elm, it could be some box elder. He said just a little bit of everything, and all different sizes, but nothing real big. And I said, well, I'm interested. And he said, you know, I got to make something on it, so I'm trying to find someone that wants it. I said, I really don't need any wood. Luckily, it's a buyer's market right now. I said, I don't really need, because I got lots of stuff to do here. But I said, if the price is right, you know, I think I might take it. I said, I'm not willing to pay very much. And I kind of talked it over with my brother. And right now, you can get ash for 70 and 80 bucks per cord, log cord. Because loggers want to get rid of it because none of the mills want it right now. There's a lot of it. So I said, unless I can get it for like 50 bucks a cord, I'm not really even interested. I said, I don't need it at all, but if you're looking for a place to get rid of it, it's close by. He's only a few miles from here, so that's good for him. And he says, yep. He says, if I can't find anybody else that wants it, he said, it's yours. And so I told him, I said, well, if you find anybody else that wants it that's going to pay more, I said, you go right ahead. But if you can't, let me know. And the job is being cut right now. Yesterday and today, and he said that he'd let me know within a day or two. So if I'm gonna have 2 to 3 loads of wood coming in, I need to make room. So this pile right here is kind of in the way, because what I would want him to do is I'd want him to come in right through here. He could pull right into here and he can load 2 loads or 3 loads, maybe 2 loads right here. And then the other load, I think I'd have him put it over on the other side over here. I'll show you. So we got room right in here. So I'm going to move some of these logs so that he can pull right in here and load stuff in the area where I'm walking and behind me back in that way. And then I'm going to put the bucket on. I'm going to push this wood right here out of the way a little bit, because then where my trailer's parked, he could pull his semi right up in here, and he could put logs all through here too. So I got room that he could easily get in 2 to 3 loads in here. So I'm going to make some room. So that's the plan right now. So there the cherry is. I got that moved, so I moved that first from over here to there. I got that separate, and then I put the red oak over here, and I think I got pretty dang good. There might be one or two pieces that got mixed, but not much in all. This is all out of the way. I decided to push it way over there because that leaves all this open for truckloads of wood. So the farm truck's here today because they're picking beans, so normally that's not there. But if a semi comes in, he'll be able to back right in, or pull right in straight ahead right up into here. And then he can unload all kinds of wood right in here, just like we always did in rows, just like this oak is, so you can run them this way. So you should be able to get 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 rows. And then he could also put another row right here, running this way, and I don't have to get at that right away. So if he runs it straight this way so I can access from that corner, it'll be just fine. But that made a whole bunch of room. So there you go, we got her all opened up, and now we're open for business again, so we can receive wood, which is a good thing. And I gotta go to work, so that's it for today, folks. Poke the buttons, I'll be back tomorrow 5:30 a.m. another video for you. Right now you're gonna go watch one of the over 1,200 videos on the channel. It'd be good for you, it'll make you tough. Good night, Irene.